Are you looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Aiken, South Carolina? Look no further than Dumpee Dumpsters. With a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, we offer a range of dumpster sizes to meet your specific needs, whether for residential projects or large-scale commercial endeavors. We understand that every project is unique. We provide personalized service to ensure you get the right dumpster size and type for your job. Whether cleaning out your garage, renovating your home, or managing a construction site, our team is here to help streamline your waste management process. Our fleet of modern trucks ensures prompt delivery and pickup, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your project. We pride ourselves on reliability and efficiency, ensuring that your dumpster is delivered on time and removed promptly when you're finished. Choosing Dumpee Dumpsters means choosing peace of mind. Our sturdy, clean dumpsters are designed to handle even the most challenging jobs. Whether you have household junk, yard waste, or construction debris, you can trust us to provide a safe and convenient waste disposal solution. Ready to experience the difference with Dumpee Dumpsters? Contact us today at 706-702-5380 or visit our website at www.dumpeedumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental Aiken, South Carolina to learn more about our dumpster rental in Aiken, South Carolina. At Dumpee Dumpsters, we're committed to hassle-free and efficient waste disposal. Let us help you with your next project.